Good day, everyone. Let's talk about genes.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and their life is better than.
Wrong genes. Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is gene therapy, one of the most revolutionary breakthroughs in modern science. Our body is composed of trillions of cells, and inside each cell is a nucleus, the control center. Inside the nucleus, we find chromosomes made of DNA. DNA carries our genetic code, and a small section called genes tell our cells how to make proteins. Sometimes mutations or changes in genes cause errors in proteins, which can lead to genetic diseases. Gene therapy is a technique that directly changes a person's genes to treat or even cure diseases. Unlike regular treatments that only manage symptoms, gene therapy fixes the genetic problem. It's a long-term approach that gives a new hope to patients with previously incurable conditions. How gene therapy works. Replacing. These methods works like switching out a broken part in a machine. Some diseases happen because a gene is damaged or missing, so the body cannot make an important protein. In cystic fibrosis, the CFTR gene is defective. If we replace it with a healthy copy, lung cells can make the protein needed to keep mucus thin and manageable. In activating, think of this like turning off a switch that causes damage. Some diseases are caused when a gene is overactive or produces harmful proteins. Gene therapy can disable or silence that problematic gene so it stops causing harm. This prevents the faulty gene from producing damaging effects. Example of this is in a certain cancers, genes that cause cells to multiply uncontrollably can be shut off, slowing cancer growth. Adding, this approach is like giving the body a new tool to fight illness. Instead of fixing a broken gene, doctors introduce a brand new gene that has a helpful function. In CAR T cell therapy, doctors add a special gene to a patient's immune cells. This new gene teaches the immune cells to recognize and attacks cancer cells, something they couldn't do before. Examples of gene therapy we have Luxturna, Zolgensma, hemophilia therapy, and CAR T cell therapy. Gene therapy has shown remarkable success in treating diseases once considered incurable. For example, Luxturna helps restore visions in patients with Leber's congenital amaurosis by delivering a healthy gene to the retina, allowing eye cells to function properly. Zolgensma, a breakthrough treatment for infants with spinal muscular atrophy, provides a working gene that improves muscle strength and helps prevent paralysis. Gene therapy has also transformed care for hemophilia, enabling the liver to produce missing clotting factors and greatly reducing bleeding episodes. In cancer treatment, CAR T cell therapy reprograms a patient's immune cell with a new gene, empowering them to seek and destroy cancer cells. Together, these examples show how powerful gene therapy has become in restoring functions, saving lives, and offering hope to patients with genetic disorders and serious diseases. Types of gene therapy. The first one is somatic gene therapy, which targets blood cells like skin or lung cells. The effects are limited to the treated individual and are not passed down to their children. A real-life example is the treatment for beta thalassemia, where healthy genes are inserted into bone marrow cells to produce normal red blood cells. The second type is germline gene therapy, where genes are inserted into sperm or egg cells. This means the correction can be inherited by future generations. However, germline therapy remains controversial and is not yet allowed in humans because of ethical and safety concerns. Examples of each type. First, somatic. Cystic fibrosis is a disease that affects the lungs and digestive system. It's caused by a faulty gene called CFTR, which makes mucus thick and sticky. This clogs the lungs and causes breathing problem. How gene therapy helps. In somatic gene therapy, doctors add a normal copy of the CFTR gene into the lung cells of a person with a cystic fibrosis. Germline example, Hunting, Huntington's disease is a serious brain disorder caused by a defective gene that damages brain cells. How gene therapy might help. In germline gene therapy, scientists will fix or replace the faulty gene in embryos or reproductive cells like sperm or eggs before a baby is born.